Hello friends, in this video I will show how to update drivers on Windows 10. Search your device manager. Open device manager. Now here you will see a list of drivers. To update any driver like camera, expand it, right click on it and click on update driver. Here you will see two options, search automatically and second option, search and browse manually. So select from your computer. Now here select let me pick from a list, and if you have different locations, so browse here, then select your driver, then next. So this is the setting guys, you can update a driver in your Windows 10. Thanks for watching.